Hi, Emery Kellett here from OKSealer.com, a division of OK International. Today, what we're here to show you is our T-PAK 750. It's an angle bed conveyor with a super sealer on it. This angle bed has a back belt. It's used in so many different industries. We use it in textile, we use it in breads, we use it in poultry, we use it also in fruits and vegetables. Anything that's coming off either a long line that is very fast or coming out of an automatic machine that you want to drop it on the conveyor. Either or, you can use it in that. So we have our conveyor system with the back belt, as I just mentioned. It also comes on wheels. You can lock into position once you find it in the plant. But say you need to move it, then of course you can just lift these up and roll it around anywhere in the plant. This unit is made of all stainless steel. And then of course the core of it is our super sealer. You can use a hot air sealer or a band sealer. Today we have a hot air sealer on it. We also have it with our trimmer here, our straight edge trimmer, and we have a jet flow trim remover that sucks the trim away. What you have here is what we call a T-PAK, hence the name T-PAK 750. It was designed at first so that the bag, we have a wide mouth open infeed, but also the other part of it was so the bag can be pulled up tight. That's when it was designed initially for the textile industry. And so then again, this is our T-PAK. We have our trimmer, our jet flow, and our hot air sealer. This is built all out of stainless steel and anodized aluminum on the parts. This is anodized aluminum, and this again is stainless steel and anodized aluminum. Super easy, plugs into any 110 volt. We do need compressed air for this jet flow, but for the sealer, either the band sealer or a hot air sealer, you don't need compressed air. So let's show you how it works. What we have here is our main carrying belt and a back belt. This is a bag top guide that helps go into the wide mouth infeed of the T-PAK. These machines, basically, if you turn the sealer on and I have it set at 60 feet a minute, then this conveyor will slave right off it. We have a second drive in there to slave right off it. So then if you want your back belt to go down, you turn it this way, the back belt goes down. Say your package is a little bit longer, then you get a shorter package in, you turn the button this way, and the back belt comes up. So, sealer down when your package is thinner, sealer up when your package is thicker. Here's your two E-stops. This is your lockout power for the whole system. Again, it's super simple, just 110 volt, plugging into any wall unit. Okay, now we're gonna watch the T-PAK pull it up. So here we go, pulls it up nice and tight to the package. And look at that, nice tight pack on a T-PAK 750. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or please visit us at OKSealer.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. Take care now.